Tired of digging through Gusto's menus to find the right jury duty policy? Set up a paid or unpaid jury duty policy in Gusto in under 3 minutes with these exact clicks. First, we'll open the time off policy area. Then we'll choose the jury duty policy, configure compensation and accrual, and activate it. Go ahead and open Gusto to get started. Then click on Time and Attendance in the menu. Now, click on Time Off from there. Click Add a Policy to begin creating a new time off policy. Next, click on See More Policy Types to see all available options, and choose the jury duty policy from that list. Type in a name for your policy. Click the compensation type and pick Paid, which is the most common choice. Or you can click on Unpaid instead. For accrual type, click on Hours Worked. Then click on each employee's start date to set when accrual begins. Click Next to continue building the policy. Then click Next to Setting to move to the Settings area. Type the earned hours value in the field provided, and type the worked hours value in the next field. Then hit Next to Accrual to keep going. After that, click Next to Enrollment to move past that step. Finally, click Activate to turn the policy on. Take a moment to verify your jury duty leave policy is now active, and that's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.